Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on MDX.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and we've not done this video yet, and there's a lot of people that requested this video, so we're going to be going through MDX today. This is not financial advice. We'll be talking about why MDX is a very good cryptocurrency and why it should be on your watch list.
But before we get into the video, please may I say that only 5.6% of you that watch our videos are actually subscribed to the channel. So if you don't mind, please press the red subscribe button as it really helps. Thank you, let's get straight into it. So currently, if we look at where the price was before everything crashed, it was at $9 was its peak, and right now it's at $1.63. But for it to get back to that, it was, as you can see, it was $9. I wanted to show you what the market cap was, but as you can see, 23rd of February is not accurate at all for the market cap. So I was going to say how much more we needed to flow into MDX for the price to go back to its all-time high, but there is no market cap available for February the 23rd, which is its all-time high date. February 22nd, there isn't February 22nd either. But however, we are in the accumulating phase now in the cycle before everything starts going up again. So as you can see, the volume is going up. We're up 33% in the volume, so people are slowly accumulating the coin. And right now is an amazing price to be buy back into, as it could be an easy 6-7x there if it goes back up.
As we can see on MDX, the market cap is currently at $863 million, which is fairly sized as a cryptocurrency, since there won't be enough room as of compared to a small coin like coti or Orion protocol that we've gone through. However, this is still a good coin, and we'll still be going through why this is something that should be in your watch list. And yeah, so funny thing is, MDX has been on my watch list for a very long time now, and recently I've been seeing the price going down, and I've been trying to research why is the price going down. And obviously, we've seen Bitcoin go down as well. However, because this is an alternative to Pancake swap, which is great for us and kind of gives us many different routes to go through. You can connect your wallet, MetaMask wallet, your Binance Smart Chain wallet at the top right, and also if you don't speak English, you can just change the language too. And you can swap your tokens, you can add them to a pool, you can stake them, you can provide liquidity to different tokens. For example, let's say you've got Binance coin and you've got MDX, you can provide 50-50 liquidity, and you'll get paid out through the MDX token, so that you're getting passive income that way. And this is something good that everyone basically wants, because let's say we enter a bear market. It can happen any day, any second. It takes one crazy move from Bitcoin to potentially be in a bear market. And passive income, coins that we've covered, such as Strong and Gala nodes and Helium, so this potentially for liquidity pools, can all be utilized for making money. And not only that, you can also come back again and sell when the price is higher, because you'll be looking at the price going down, you'll be making money. However, your total inventory might be going down as well, because we are potentially going to be in a bear market, which you can potentially sell the money that you've made while you were in the bear market once we start getting bullish again, because that's what everyone's going to be doing. It's a smart way of thinking of it, because you're going to be accumulating when the prices are low, you're going to be making more when the prices are low, and then when the price goes up, you're going to be selling, just simply like that. But yeah, this is a similar website to Pancake swap, however, a more advanced website and less established, which this is what everyone wants to be looking for, a less established website compared to one of the major cryptocurrency exchanges. And Pancake swap obviously has $20 billion invested into it, so this is like 1 out of 20 of its market capitalization. So this is still a small project in our eyes. This campaign has been successful for 6 rounds, with a total of almost 1.8 million MDX participations, and almost 1.6 million MDX has been burnt. Therefore, the token is becoming decreased in supply. And as we've spoken about before, when a token becomes decreased in supply, such as Strong burning 94% of its supply, the price tends to go higher. So we saw Strong go from $70 all the way to $300, which was crazy, and now it's having a nice retracement. So this is something that MDX will experience within the upcoming future. Therefore, investing in MDX, even though this is not financial advice, may be a good option for you guys, since a lot of the token is being burnt. and it's going to be given out in rewards. So the token that's being burnt will be given out to the community. Therefore, everyone will be gaining. The team will be gaining from publicity, and you'll be gaining from free rewards, which is great. And basically, they said that they will announce more adjustable details on the website. And the next round that this will happen is the 9th of June at 9 o'clock. So this basically happened already. Okay, so right now the price has been going down, so we are potentially expecting the price to start making a move to the upside within the upcoming future.
So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you like the video and give it a subscribe, and yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.